SDA friend, let's talk about VS Code. So you go to a project, here for example it's a back of Twinkle 3 project, any textual project would work, also BNR and others. You can just select the three dots here and see the new button appearing here, which is called Open in VS Code. Once the project has opened in VS Code, you can already see the project tree on the left side here. So you can click through all your data, changing it, see the textual stuff of it, continue working in VS Code. So why would I use VS Code for that? I mean, the first thing is you can just textually change it, right? It's really fast. The other thing is you can basically use the extensions as you're used to it, right? So you can do installations of extensions, use them as you used it in your environment in VS Code. Let's just change the timer here, for example. So we add the limit to 1001, the initial value goes back to 2 here, for example. We go to the SDA add-on and we can create a new version out of this one. So this is another great feature to become the single source of truth, to allow all your workers just working with the software-defined automation application, do the versioning and other stuff. This is software-defined automation and we are just getting started.